Hello dear learners, today's daily news capsule is brought to you by Abid Siksha. Let's start with today's news. Today's news includes first, Karnataka starts releasing water on CWMA directives. Number 2, in India 74% cannot afford a healthy diet, UN agency report. Number 3, India more likely to believe nation's influence is growing, PEW survey. Number 4, G20 must help deal with glaring inequities revealed by pandemic, said WHO envoy. Number 5, China defense map urges India not to overinterpret it. Number 6, Pragyan rover clicks image of Vikram lander on lunar surface. And last news for today is in Northeast first Ayush hospital to be set up in Dibrugarh. So let us understand all the explanation for today's news. Karnataka starts releasing water on CWMA directives. On CWMA's directives. तो इसको समझने के लिए हमें ये समझना पड़ेगा कि कर्नाटका और तमिलनाडु के बीच में कावेरी रिवर को लेके एक डिस्प्यूट है. सो इन कंप्लायंस विद डायरेक्टिव्स ऑफ कावेरी वाटर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी, तो ये डिस्प्यूट को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए एक अथॉरिटी है, उसका नाम क्या है, कावेरी वाटर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी. टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस टॉपिक्स, ऐसे टॉपिक्स हमें जब मिलता है तो वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि हमें इसको किससे लिंक करना है. तो हम इस टॉपिक को कौन से टॉपिक से लिंक कर सकते हैं. एक तो हमें इंटरस्टेट वाटर डिस्प्यूट एक्ट के बारे में हमें जानना पड़ेगा, इसको हम पॉलिटिक्स से भी लिंक कर सकते हैं, और कावेरी का ट्रिब्यूटरी कावेरी के रिवर बेसिन को भी हमें समझना पड़ेगा, जो कि हम ज्योग्राफी से लिंक कर सकते हैं. कर्नाटका हैज बिगन रिलीजिंग वाटर फ्रॉम इट्स रिजर्वॉयर्स टू तमिलनाडु. The outflow of Krishnaraja Sagar Reservoir in Mandya district into Kaveri was at the rate of 4398, that is 4398 cusecs. Cusecs means cubic feet per second against an inflow of 2300 cusecs on Wednesday morning. Wednesday को वो लोग 2300 cusecs भेज रहे थे, but after the guidelines issued by CWMA, they have started to release 4398 cusecs of water. Though Karnataka had strongly put forth that its inability to release water, the CWMA upheld that recommendation made by the Kaveri Water Regulation Committee to release 5000 cusecs. Various farmer organizations had threatened to launch an agitation if the water is released. तो कर्नाटका में there had been threat of agitation by farmers. अगर उनका पानी रिलीज होगा तो there is a chance of agitation. The state government's decision to comply with CWMA is also seen as an attempt to avoid strictures from Supreme Court, which is scheduled to hear the issue during this week. तो अगर हम देखें तो ये है कर्नाटका और ये है, दिस इज द बाउंड्री बिटवीन कर्नाटका एंड तमिलनाडु. और ये जो रिवर बेसिन, ये जो आप रिवर देख रहे हैं, ये है कर्नाटका, आई मीन दिस इज द रिवर कावेरी. कावेरी का हमें कुछ डैम्स को और रिजर्वॉयर्स को अच्छे से याद रखना होगा, बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर टुडेज न्यूज ऑल्सो एंड फॉर फर्दर coming further days also, that Krishna Sagar Raja Reservoir कौन से स्टेट में है. There would be multiple options given, और वो भी सब सेम आसपास की स्टेट्स का ही होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आंध्र प्रदेश और कर्नाटका और केरला और तमिलनाडु. तो हमें उसको जानना होगा कि विच इज द राइट स्टेट. और ये मेट्टूर रिजर्वायर इज इन तमिलनाडु, ये भी हमें जानना होगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और फ्रॉम द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ ज्योग्राफी हमें याद रखना होगा कि कावेरी रिवर का लेफ्ट बैंक और राइट बैंक ट्रिब्यूटरी कौन सा है. सो उन सब के हमें नाम आपको आज की पीडीएफ में मिल जाएगा, ये वाला फोटोज. तो प्लीज काइंडली लर्न ऑल दिस. नेक्स्ट न्यूज इज in India 74% cannot afford a healthy diet, UN agency report. UN के एजेंसी रिपोर्ट ने कहा है कि 74% cannot afford a healthy diet. The state of food security and nutrition in the world, that is SOFI 2023 published last month showed that while cost of healthy diet is increased in recent years in India, it is still lowest among BRICS nation, including the newly added 6 countries and the India's neighbors. मतलब इंडिया में जो वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट, सीरियल्स, उनका प्राइस जो है वो कम है, फिर भी इंडियंस के पास एक हेल्दी न्यूट्रिशनल डाइट नहीं है. इट इज नॉट इनफ. However, the share of people who are able to afford such healthy diet is still low. तो जो healthy food खाते, healthy food is not just the food which we eat. Healthy food includes macronutrients, micronutrients. उसमें macro और micro दोनों nutrients होना पड़ेगा. इसी के वजह से even though India is food surplus country, हम food surplus country है, मगर there is a variety of hidden hunger. मतलब सबके अंदर बहुत सारा हिडन हंगर है, विच हिडन हंगर का इशू अभी भी बहुत प्रेवलेंट है. हिडन हंगर, तो आपको ये टॉपिक में हिडन हंगर को भी कनेक्ट करना होगा और फूड सरप्लस और फूड डेफिसिट के बारे में भी आपको जानना होगा. SOFI is published by FAO, organization is Food and Agricultural Organization, and jointly produced with fellow United Nations agencies. A diet is considered too expensive if it is more than 52% country's average income. अगर किसी का फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर किसी का इनकम है 100%, तो अगर 52% अगर सिर्फ खाने में ही हम डालेंगे तो इट इज टू एक्सपेंसिव. The percentage is based on data showing that people in low income countries tend to spend 52% of their income on food. The percentage of people who cannot afford this diet is then calculated by using income distribution within a nation. So in India, 74% were not able to afford a healthy diet, the fourth highest share among the nation considered. So, but it is still lower than many comparable economies. In Asia, South Asia, especially in South Asia, that is India and her neighboring countries, the people, 1.4 billion people, and the highest share, 72%, who could not afford healthy diet. The rate was nearly double the average for the region. SOFI is jointly produced by fellow UN agencies, that is FAO तो है ही, हमने पिछले स्लाइड में देखा, IFAT, UNICEF, WPF and WHO. तो हमें ये याद रखना कि SOFI is released by which agency. There might be numerous options, but आपको correct option को ही टिक करना है. Indian more likely to believe that nation's influence is growing. PEW survey. So let us see. India joined a positive image across 23 countries with a median of 46% adults holding a favorable view of India, while median 34% held unfavorable views, according to an international survey conducted by PEW Research Center, a Washington DC based fact tank. तो इसमें ये बताया गया है कि 23 कंट्रीज में एक सर्वे कंडक्ट किया गया था, उसमें 46% ने इंडिया को एक फेवरेबल व्यू से देखा, फेवरेबल, एंड रिमेनिंग एंड 34% ने उसको अनफेवरेबल व्यू से देखा. अ सिमिलर पैटर्न वाज एविडेंट विद रिगार्ड टू परसेप्शन ऑफ इंडिया एज राइजिंग पावर. व्हाइल 7 in 10 Indians believe that the country has recently become more influential, only 28% across 19 countries said the same. इंडिया में 7 out of 10 लोगों ने सोचा कि इंडिया का इन्फ्लुएंस हैज इंक्रीज, बट ओनली 28% अक्रॉस 19 कंट्रीज ने ये समझा सेम कि इंडिया का इन्फ्लुएंस बड़ा है. G20 must help deal with glaring inequities revealed by pandemic, says WHO envoy. So let us understand. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed a glaring inequity to access vaccines and treatments, which must be bridged before another such outbreak hits the world, says Ayode Alkija. She is a global leader in the field of pandemic preparedness and response, co-chair of the Access of COVID-19 Tools Accelerator and World Health Organization Special Envoy. So she said that हमें पहले से ही prepared होना चाहिए. We should be prepared beforehand. She adds that G20 should help develop a new global playbook that will facilitate regional self-sufficiency and equitable allocation and access. तो उन्होंने किस बात पे stress किया कि we must allow our regions to be self-sufficient. हमें खुद से ही self-sufficient होना पड़ेगा. While some regions surged ahead with vaccination and treatments, others were left waiting. So some countries, for example, all the Western countries, they had their vaccines. उनके पास टेक्नोलॉजी था, उनके पास वैक्सीन था, तो they had met and they had curbed the menace of pandemic. But कुछ countries, for example all the lower developing economics, उनके पास न टेक्नोलॉजी था ना उनके पास कोई एक्सेस था, तो उन लोगों को वेट करना पड़ा. They were left waiting. The glaring inequity serves as a profound lesson that as we look to the future and the potential of new health challenges, we must vow to never let access to be the barrier that divides our global community, she said. So as we are approaching, we are getting ahead of our time, so हम लोगों को ये पता चलना होना चाहिए कि there are newer problems, there can be newer diseases जिनको हम शायद अगर global community अगर एक साथ होकर ना लड़े तो there might be chances कि a number of people get died in the situation. लेकिन हमें ये make sure करना है कि access to मतलब किसी चीज़ का access होना कभी भी barrier ना बने. Dr. Alkija lauded India's initiative developing the promise of digital advancement with launch of WHO Global Initiative on Global Health as a part of G20 presidency. India has set an exemplary standard harnessing the promise of digital health. The launch of WHO Digital Health Network during its G20 presidency isn't just a step, it is a leap, she said. और इंडिया ने कोविड के समय पे भी बहुत सारे वैक्सीन टू वेरियस कंट्रीज भेजा था इन इट्स वैक्सीन मैत्री इनिशिएटिव. इंडिया डिफेंस मैप urges India not to overinterpret it. So it is the next news and let us see the explanation. China on Wednesday defended its move to release standard map for 2023 showing Arunachal Pradesh and Aksai Chin as a part of territory, saying it is a routine practice. They said that it is a routine practice to invade other territories. Let's move on. In accordance with its law and urged India to stay objective and calm. They asked us to stay objective and calm on this issue and refrain from over-interpreting the issue. Asked for his reaction to India's diplomatic protest by Chinese state-run outlet, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Wang Wenbin told media briefing in Beijing that on August 2023, Ministry of Natural Resources of China released a 2023 edition of Standard Map. They had released it as a standard map. It is a routine practice in China's exercise of sovereignty by law. We hope relevant sides can stay objective and calm and refrain from over-interpreting the issue, he said. So it was the news regarding China's issue. Next news is Pragyan rover clicks image of Vikram lander and on the lunar surface. So this is the image, Vikram lander, and this picture shows us that sky is not the limit. It is way above and way beyond. If we tried our best of capabilities, we can reach up to moon. We can reach on the solar south point of the moon where nobody has reached. So we need to work hard on our end. Chandrayaan 3 mission Pragyan rover on Wednesday clicked an image of Vikram lander, ISRO said. The image of the mission shared by the Bengaluru headquarters National Space Agency was taken by navigation camera, that is NavCam, on board the rover which was on the rover. The lander and rover were designed to operate for one lunar daylight period, that is about 14 Earth days. After 14 Earth days, there might be a chance that it becomes too cold in the lunar surface and it might not work. The rover might not work. And the last news for today is Northeast first Ayush hospital has been set up in Dibrugarh. So let us see. Northeast is said to have first multifaceted Ayush hospital and research center in Dihing Khamati Ghat Gaon in some 18 kilometers from district headquarters here. Ayush is an acronym for Ayurveda, Yoga, यूनानी, सिद्धा एंड होम्योपैथी. तो हमें ये याद रखना है कि आयुष का फुल फॉर्म क्या है. आयुष का फुल फॉर्म इज आयुर्वेदा, योगा एंड नेचुरोपैथी, यूनानी, सिद्धा एंड होम्योपैथी. Union Minister Shri Sarvananda Sonowal told newsmen that Ayush Hospital and Research Center will be first of its kind in Northeast. It will be first of its kind. The government will initially invest 100 crores for the structure and will have scope of expansion in the future. The foundation stone will be laid very soon with a span of 2 years. The construction should be completed, said Union Minister Sonowal. So ये अभी उन लोग फाउंडेशन स्टोन मतलब दे वुड ले द फाउंडेशन, और 2 साल में ये आयुष जो कि मल्टी फैसिलिटी आयुष जो सेंटर बनेगा डिब्रूगढ़ में, दैट वुड बी वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड एंड इट विल बी कंप्लीटेड बाय 2 years. So this brings us to the end of today's daily news capsule. To get such capsule and to get the PDF of today's capsule, please join the Telegram link below, and in Telegram we have this initiative where we upload MCQs every day so that it would help you to enhance your preparation. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.